Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at SMCI stock and let's do the price action analysis on this thing. So this thing has been going up and up and up day after day, and as what I have also talked about over the weekend as well, that any pullback after this green candle was just a buy as long as we are above that blue box, and will continue higher, and we have been going higher. Now, how high can we continue to go? Where are the areas to watch for the pullbacks? Until when can structure stay bullish? What are the things to watch? So in this video, I'll talk about all of that. But before that, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. And I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. So as you can see, this is where when we got above $804, structure was already on the bullish side. And then after this green big candle, any pullback into this blue box was supposed to be bought back up with the stop loss on the other side, but that was a structural support into the pullback, and we continued higher. Now 971 and almost 972 actually is the area that I expect the price to come all the way to, and definitely I do see there is some supply zones up here, which is a stronger supply zone. So, and you can see there's some effect of that sell-off already showing up from last 2 days, right? But is this sell-off strong enough that we can reverse? Well, on the daily interval, I'm not seeing any of that. All right, so let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about over there what is the price action telling me there. So today as well we went up high. Well, still technically guys we are in higher highs, higher lows, and yeah, higher highs. So technically the trend is still bullish on this thing. Now as well, we are still above 20 hours moving average. Any pullback to that level is just still a buy. Well, as a structure will still stay bullish, you have to have your stop loss anyways. And I do expect like this level that we are at 910 is still holding a good support. And if we have to slow down here, let's say sell-off starts coming in, then if we lose 910 with 20 hours moving average, then maybe some cool off may come to 883. But that all in all will still keep the structure bullish on SMCI. At this time, structure will only look weaker if $882 break. But these are the times that you need to take partial profits in the extensions. And then if you want to reload, you can try reloading in the pullbacks and then take the extensions. But I'm here to tell you the structure, the levels to watch for the change of structure and the weakness where it may start to come. As for right now, as long as we are above 910, we will still remain bullish. If we lose 20 hours and $910 range, some cool off may come down to the next level of 882, but that will still not make the structure bearish. SMCI right now has a room to stay bullish. Even a couple of days of pullbacks on this will be bought back up at least on intraday. So, and that's what it has been doing. So yeah, guys, there is nothing to the downside right now on SMCI, and I expect this thing to continue higher. Let's take a look at 5 minutes interval here real quick, and let's see the price action there. So this is where intraday exhaustion, or a lot of things along those lines you can also identify. And yeah, and that's what that is. That you can see that we are still following this trend line. We are above that 200 moving average on 5 minutes interval. This works very well on the high volatile stocks. We are still holding the level constantly 910, but at the same time you are seeing on intraday we are slowing down as well. But structure is still bullish, guys. I mean, this was the bullish play today, and then things continued higher on this. So, and you can see this still candle bought back up. But yeah, this 910, you can use this triangle, but this is a bullish triangle still. Okay, it's more likelihood it's just gonna continue higher, but the structure is still supporting on this. But yeah, I talked about if 910 level breaks, some weakness may come. I don't think it will happen today. But if it has to happen tomorrow, then that will be without going further above 939. If we lose 910, some cool off may come to 883. But as I just said, structure on this will still remain bullish. Overall structure, that's just a pullback. Yeah, on 4 hours interval as well, I'm seeing it full on bullish. Just though keep an eye on this level 972. That's where some previous supply zone is sitting. So I do expect a pullback. Anyways, but as I said, sorry, I'm repeating myself because it's important to distinguish between the intraday and swing plays and the overall structure. But the overall structure, guys, is still very bullish on SMCI, but take partial profits in the extensions. So that's SMCI still ripping higher today. And just before wrapping up, I also want to show you NVIDIA. I did a video on this in the morning already. Check that out on my channel. But this is just a quick update as where the things are. We are still bullish on this thing. Just been going higher. And as I talked about in the morning as well, that this thing is not bearish, right? I gave you some levels as well to watch, that any pullback is still can continue higher, maybe may continue to all-time highs. Let's take a look at my day trading bot on this thing. So we have already gotten to take partial profits for the day trading as well today, and then there's still position running open PNL on the remaining position on the day trading side. So yeah, it's still full on bullish, guys, NVIDIA. And if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have 2 trading bots and 2 indicators. And yeah, so that's that. Yeah, and yeah, NVIDIA is, yeah, it can stay, continue to stay bullish, and I'll talk more about it later when, later in the day when the market has closed. But yeah, so far things on this are still bullish. No signs of slowdown on this particular thing. Just want to adjust something here real quick, and let's do the medium. And sorry, just adjusting something on my indicator, guys, just trying to see some more levels. Yep, here we go. All right, cool. And yeah, so that's your SMCI and NVIDIA. I like to always talk about, NVIDIA as well whenever I'm doing any other semiconductor. And that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, keep an eye on 972. And as for, well, tomorrow as well, as long as we stay above 910, intraday is still a long play. Again, even if we pull back, that will be a rebound play as well. If you are not comfortable trading short into the cool off, and technically you should follow the trend, you shouldn't try to too much trade against the trend. So if any pullback happens, 883 or $882 level could also be a pullback zone on intradays tomorrow, going in tomorrow. And then you have to see double bottom formation, consolidation formation for a potential upside continuation from there. All right. Cool. All right. Well, yeah, that's it, guys. And I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.